A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for JAMAICA'S game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. He don't know what that. About do Mr. Kapalat, you don't know that.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S game here with another reaction. Today we are with Vybz Kartel. Yeah, man, teacher himself with God is the Greatest official music video. Me react to the audio already. Me go pin it at the end of this above my head, somewhere floating above my head. So just check it out if you don't want to see the breakdown of it. Today we are focused on the video. So I'm gonna jump in the one and see where I did the teacher I said, man. Let's go, man. Obviously, that song is a big song, a big fucking song. This. So forget that video feed. It's a bonus, it's a plus. Let's go.
God is the greatest.
Sure.
No matter you're going to.
All in the man ready?
Count your blessings, yeah.
Rope big up. From there, so.
Well,
to Yasso.
today is a new day.
Yeah.
Give thanks a lot.
Big up him there.
All praises to the Lord, me safe and me sanctified. Nah, me.
Hold on. You think I'm a gospel? Quick. Before we make that speech, yeah. For so long, we used to Vybz Kartel and drop hit songs with videos which Vybz Kartel is not in. Now the G forward from prison, we are get the full package. Who don't like see that? Fuck right off. Yes, double fuck right off. The G's here. The G up and down her face like a blackhead. Know that.
God is the greatest. No.
All of the haters then.
Count your blessings.
The G there, man. Yeah. The G outside, man. Tap out. Ready?
Well, today is a new day.
Yeah.
Give thanks a lot. All praises to the Lord, me safe and me sanctified. Nah, make them stress me. Me a wall of vibe.
We do.
With red boom, TJ and moon in my born fight. And the Lord is around us. In blessings surround us.
Oh,
God
class.
is the greatest.
Teacher.
No matter.
Teacher. Hey, guys are people in there representing the comment section. No. So all who never was in the G free and I live him life, wanna go hide. Ready?
Well, today is a new day.
New day.
Give thanks a lot.
Joe. All these to the Lord, safe and
sanctified. Nah, make them stress me.
No.
Me a wall of vibe.
We do.
With red boom, TJ and moon in my born fight.
Well, I don't
And
want
the Lord is around us. In blessings surround us. Me no care who like me.
Me just a go and show love.
And the Lord is around us. In blessings surround us.
Yo, the video clean your fuck. Ruby, big up, man.
Who like me. Me just a go and show love.
No more never.
Far me I come from. What a journey. Good thing God got me. See it and you feel it. Far me I come from.
Link up with Khalid.
Life has meaning. That you keep on believing. So see it and feel.
TJ.
Oh, life is so rough sometimes. Heaven hear me cry.
Cross. One general. Get back in visa. Wanna please ya? What one?
And the Lord is around us. In blessings surround us. Me no care who like me. Me just a go and show love. And the Lord is around us. In blessings surround us. Me no care who like me. Me just a go and show love.
Clap.
Oh,
The G I live, brother.
Come from. What a journey. Good thing God got me. See it and you feel it. Far me I come from. Life has meaning. That you keep on believing. Well, today is a new day.
Give thanks for life, Bumbleclot. All who know says a new day, give thanks for life and run it again. All who know says a new day, give thanks for life and run it again. DJ, big up yourself. Yeah, man. Bumbleclot video that's clean, brother. Mesmerizing. A be a clean video shot from me there, man. Hey.
Well, today is a new day. Give thanks for life. All praises to the Lord, me safe and me sanctified.
Now make them stress me.
Me a wall of vibe. With Red Boom, TJ and Moon in my born fight. And the Lord is around us. In blessings surround us. Me not care who like me.
Me just a go and show love.
And the Lord is around us. In blessings surround us. Me not care who like me. Me just a go and show love.
Oh,
Far me I come from. What a journey. Good thing God got me. See it and you feel it. Far me I come from. Life has meaning. That the youth keep on believing. So see it and feel. Oh, life is so rough sometimes. Heaven hear me cry.
oh. I'm gonna just say this. Like it's like any dancer artist we got foreign. I feel link up with DJ Khaled. Any one of them I feel link up with Khaled, brother. From well, I mean, we get back them visa and go. Me not talk about dancer artists where they are road and there and can travel. Me talk about the one that get back them visa, bro. Killer, Buju, Cartel. It's like a Khaled at the plug, bro. Khaled at the plug for give back them money and them visa. I swear, dog. We don't know. I don't know. Khaled.
Heaven hear me cry. I feel do something with my life. And the Lord is around us. In blessings surround us. Me not care who like me. Me just a go and show love. And the Lord is around us. In blessings surround us. Me not care who like me. Me just a go and show love.
Little vibes and little laddie. Big up on yourself, man.
Far me I come from. What a journey. Good thing God got me. See it and you feel. Far me I come from. Life has meaning. That the youth keep on believing. Well, today is a new day.
Give thanks to life.
All praises to the Lord, me safe and me sanctified.
Now make them
stress me.
want to get us on them. Scatter.
With Red Boom, TJ and Moon in my born fight.
Issue them. I'm glad to see G them link up still. I'm glad to see Killer and Carter link up like this and then a video together. I'm glad. At the JAMAICA'S Records. I'm glad to say the TJ Records, big up. I'm glad to say the G they are road and I live him life. I live him best life. No, I never the video clean like I done spit the book in high school. Yeah, man. Video bad, man. I hit song like me say a big song that song that song is becoming one of the column them in a dancer, bro. Like them big song they way you know say, yo, I fi play. You see me? Like, I am blessed, I am there every day. The Vegas there, oh my God, man. Yo, me I tell you, man. Yo, it's such a joy if you see the G out there living life and put on certain things. Hoping that he put on certain things and stay that way. You see me? Yeah, it's a change, man. So big up yourself, teacher. Big up yourself always, my fam. Big up yourself always. You see me? Yeah, let's go on to the right. You know, all of the haters them will never like to see this. the man in no face like a blackhead, like a pimple. Can't bust him do. The one a permanent, him stay in not gonna away. Yeah. And just all the alone you hear, you see video too, you see visuals with him in it. So see it and you feel blood clot. If you don't want to hear the other reaction to the audio track, click on any one of them two video right now to see it. Alright? I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. I know what that. About to miss a cap a lot, you know.